What's up, YouTube, man? Back with another video, man. Back with another banger, man. Back with another reaction, man. Y'all already know, bro. Love all the support, man. Love all the subscribers, man. I really do love y'all, bro. Y'all the one who keep me grinding, bro. If you're new to this channel, man, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell to be notified on every lit banger, man, we doing on this channel, man, because we grinding and we gaining. You already know, man. Love all the supporters, man. Love all the likes, man. Love all the comments, bro. Keep on doing what y'all doing, man. But we finna react to some MGK. MGK, man. Y'all already know what it is, man. We gonna react to some MGK Fourth Coast. If we react to some MGK Fourth Coast, so that's gonna be 4 videos today, man. We're gonna post 4 videos today, man. You already know we on the grind, man. We on the grind to success, bro. So I already know, man. We're gonna be reacting to MGK, man. Fourth Coast is a freestyle, man. We're gonna see how this is, man. Look like in this picture he's shaking the Cavaliers coach hand, cause you know he's from Cleveland. So we're gonna see how this is, though. Let's get into it. I like the beat. MGK on the beat.
My bitches say I'm nasty than a motherfucker.
Okay.
I hit the J, Straxy than a motherfucker.
Ooh.
Vintage frames, classic than a motherfucker.
Yeah.
Backseat of the Uber action like a motherfucker. I be high Snoop, sipping gin and juice.
Okay.
Give me drunk, I stomp your ass out with these diesel boots.
Ooh. Give me drama, stump you on these diesel boots. He gonna stump you, bro. Come on now. Wait. Let's go back.
Sipping gin and juice. Give me drunk, I stomp your ass out with these diesel boots.
Okay.
In the street trying to change me, but I can't do that.
No.
My city miss me, so I booked the jet and flew back. Fuck your questions, what you asking about this motherfucker? It ain't no talking, it's just action out this motherfucker. Talk about Cleveland and we taxing out this motherfucker. Get them Benjamins and Jacksons out that motherfucker. I went from one bedroom apartment to a mansion over there.
What'd he say?
Out that motherfucker. I went from one bedroom apartment to a mansion.
He said he went to one bedroom to. He said he went to one bedroom apartment to a mansion. Y'all can't beat that, man. That nigga just came up. Come on now, he coming up. MGK on this grind.
I fuck my bitch and we listen to Marilyn Manson. They be trying to figure out how I get on the grams. I say the plug is my motherfucking biggest fan. Smoke up in the air, let them know we here. Let me make it clear, don't you ever motherfucking dare disrespect the youngest bosses up in here. This is not a game, I am just a player. I see all this trying to take on my career. I need inspiration, I look in the mirror. Pablo Escobar.
He said, I need inspiration, man. I need some motivation, man. Man, I need somebody to push me, man. I just need somebody to help me, man. You know what I do? I just look in the mirror. I don't need nobody's help, man. All I need is mine. All I do for motivation is look in the mirror, bro. All I gotta do is look at myself. Come on now.
With the yay, I don't sell it, I just let them play. I don't tell them, they just know what's up. Clean the whole plate, let me fuck. Hit the range on a Sunday. I'm like Rambo with the cake. Put some pictures on my haters up. Know them rounds up, let them spray. That's some fucked up shit to say. Well, I'm fucked up anyway. You have the sweet at the palms. Black suits like it's wedding day. We don't wipe shit, we just pipe shit. EST dog, that's for life shit. I'm a living legend, fuck the hype shit. I'm a living legend, fuck the hype shit. I'm on my shit. Call a flight to the Grammys like give me what you owe me. Look at my Cavaliers at the finals, I'm about to get the fucking trophy. I'm riding around the land with my top down. Standing on the bridge, this is my town. Fourth Coast, Midwest represent. We don't talk about it, we just with the shit. Yeah, I'm riding around the land with my top down. Standing on the bridge, this is my town. Fourth Coast, Midwest represent. Dog, we don't talk about it, we just with the shit. I'm back, bitch. Hey.
He back. He back. He back. He back. He back. Yeah. Yeah. I ain't gonna rap for y'all, but man, this was some fire, folk. MGK is back, man. He is back, bro. This dude been killing it, bro. MGK is on fire, man. Hey. You can't. What can you say about this man? Man, I love how he rap his city though, man. I mean, yeah, his city and where he from, man. A lot of people don't do that like he do it, man. He rap it. I love how you do that, man, because you always gotta rep where you from, man. You can't be ashamed where you from, bro. He not ashamed. That's why I really like that about MGK though. But yeah, man, y'all already know what to do, man. Just please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you're new to be notified. Hey, man, we doing on the channel, man. On the road to 600 subscribers, bro. Y'all already know, man. I'll be doing a 1K special, man. Explaining my tattoos if y'all want me to, man. Y'all already know, man. Peace, man. One love, man. We out.